a better experience for customers. We deliver in about 10 minutes. It's more environmentally friendly. These are all electric drones that use very little power. And they're also safer for the community than having big trucks on our roads and congested highways and things like that. But it's also significantly cheaper. You can have a pilot sitting in downtown Dallas watching flights all over the entire metro someday.
The first time that I ordered a snack pack, which was chips and candy and a drink, just to try it out and see what it was like. And then the next time I did need some Band-Aids, so I ordered some Band-Aids. And this third time again, I just wanted to kind of try it out and see, so I ordered candy and snacks again.
The drone weighs about 10 pounds. It's made out of styrofoam, and we use what's called frangible design. So it's built to, even on a really light impact, to break apart, to help absorb impact and maintain safety.